Good morning, everybody. It's Amelia here. Guys, it's so windy here. It's so windy. And Joe, go and get. Hear the video. Say hi to guys. Go get Onyx. He's scared. Hi, Onyx. Oh my gosh. Hi there. Hi. Guys, it's so windy. And
Come on, let's go.
ooh,
Come on. Keep going.
Onyx, come out. Come.
Mad skittish.
I want to put a stick because they're too heavy at the top. Come on, Onyx, come inside. He's
Come on,
right
let's
there.
go.
It's cold.
Go. Come on. Hey, keep going.
He doesn't want to go inside. Little kitty. Come on, Onyx. Come. Come here. You troublemaker. Oh, that's heavy.
Keep moving.
Joe, I can carry 12 pounds like this. Okay. It's really cold and windy. Let's see. I have a lot of stuff to do here. But it's okay. I don't know how you guys looking this time of year, but it's really a challenge here. I'm looking forward to, after the rain, to clean my poor flowers. My hummingbirds there, like you guys see. I feed them. They're happy. Let's see. Yes, there she is. I feed them. That's why I'm gathering there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Stay warm. Look at her. Oh goodness, I'm so happy that I feed them yesterday. That's our morning here in the yard. I'm telling you, it's a lot of stuff going on. I have to tie this again, but they're pretty. Thanks for watching, guys.